Creating wooden stool designs offers both a practical purpose and an opportunity for artistic expression, making them an appealing choice for artisans and consumers alike. Stools serve essential functions in various settings, from homes to cafes to workshops, and their versatility allows for a wide range of creative designs. By merging functionality with aesthetics, wooden stools can become decorative focal points while also serving as reliable seating solutions. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden stool design idea pieces for decorative or sell purpose. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The primary appeal of wooden stools lies in their practicality. In many homes, stools are used as additional seating options, providing a flexible solution for gatherings and everyday use. Their compact nature makes them easy to move and store, perfect for small spaces or multifunctional areas. Whether placed around a kitchen island, used as a side table, or arranged for extra guests in a living room, stools are invaluable in maximizing seating capacity without overwhelming the space. This practical utility is heightened by the durability of wood, which offers a sturdy and long-lasting material choice that can withstand daily use. Moreover, wooden stools can be designed to fit various styles, making them suitable for diverse settings. From rustic farmhouse aesthetics to sleek modern designs, the versatility of wood allows artisans to craft pieces that complement their surroundings. A well-designed stool can enhance the overall decor of a room, adding warmth and character that enhances the ambience. For instance, a rustic wooden stool with a natural finish can bring organic charm to a contemporary kitchen, while a minimalist stool with clean lines can provide a modern touch in a stylish urban apartment. The artistic potential of wooden stools is another significant aspect of their appeal. Artisans can explore a myriad of designs, shapes, and finishes, allowing for endless creativity. Whether opting for a traditional round seat or experimenting with geometric forms, the design possibilities are vast. Incorporating unique features such as carved patterns, painted accents, or mixed materials can elevate a simple stool into a striking piece of art. This blend of functionality and creativity offers artisans a chance to showcase their skills and personal style, resulting in one-of-a-kind items that stand out in the marketplace. In addition to their aesthetic value, wooden stools can also serve specific thematic or functional purposes. For example, a stool designed for a child's room can be crafted in playful shapes and bright colors, encouraging imaginative play while providing a practical seating option. Similarly, stools designed for outdoor use can be treated with weather-resistant finishes, allowing them to withstand the elements while enhancing garden or patio spaces. This adaptability reflects the artisan's ability to cater to different needs and preferences, making wooden stools a versatile product in the realm of handmade decor. As the demand for handmade furniture continues to rise, the market for unique wooden stools presents significant opportunities for artisans. Consumers are increasingly drawn to products that reflect individuality and craftsmanship, seeking out pieces that tell a story. By offering wooden stools that embody thoughtful design and quality construction, artisans can tap into this growing trend. Each stool becomes more than just a functional item. It transforms into a conversation starter, a piece of art, and an integral part of the buyer's home. The process of creating wooden stools can also be an enriching experience for artisans. Engaging with the materials allows for a deep connection to the craft, as artisans explore the properties of different woods and their suitability for various designs. The act of shaping and finishing wood can be meditative, fostering a sense of satisfaction as artisans see their ideas come to life. This creative journey enriches the final product, infusing it with the artisan's passion and dedication, which consumers can appreciate when they choose handmade items. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the rise of e-commerce has made it easier for artisans to reach a broader audience. Online platforms provide a space to showcase designs, share stories, and connect with potential buyers. High-quality images and engaging narratives can highlight the craftsmanship and thought behind each stool, attracting consumers who value authenticity. This digital presence enables artisans to build a brand around their creations, fostering a community of supporters who appreciate the artistry of handmade furniture. Social media also plays a pivotal role in promoting wooden stools. By sharing the design process, artisans can engage with their audience, inviting them into the journey of creation. This transparency builds trust and connection, as consumers feel more invested in the products they purchase. The visual nature of platforms like Instagram allows artisans to showcase their stools in various settings, inspiring potential buyers and demonstrating the versatility of their designs. The emotional connection that consumers form with handmade wooden stools cannot be understated. Each piece carries the artisan's touch, making it unique and special. Buyers often seek items that resonate with their values, and a handcrafted stool represents a commitment to quality, sustainability, and individuality. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience of ownership, transforming a simple stool into a cherished piece that contributes to the ambience of a home. Moreover, wooden stools can be a means of promoting sustainability. Many artisans prioritize using locally sourced and reclaimed materials, reducing the environmental impact of their creations. By choosing sustainable practices, artisans not only contribute to eco-friendly living but also appeal to consumers who are increasingly conscious of their environmental footprint. This commitment to sustainability can be a significant selling point, attracting buyers who want to support artisans that align with their values. As artisans continue to explore the potential of wooden stool designs, they can also consider incorporating functionality beyond seating. Stools can be designed with storage capabilities, such as hollow spaces for keeping books or blankets, making them practical additions to any room. This multifunctionality adds to their appeal, as consumers look for pieces that maximize space and utility. A wooden stool that serves as both a seat and a storage solution becomes an even more valuable asset in a home, further enhancing its marketability. In creating wooden stool designs offers a compelling blend of practicality and artistic expression. These versatile pieces serve essential functions in various settings while also enhancing the aesthetic appeal of living spaces. The opportunity to explore diverse designs and materials allows artisans to showcase their creativity, resulting in unique items that resonate with consumers. As the market for handmade furniture continues to grow, wooden stools represent a significant avenue for artisans to connect with buyers and share their craftsmanship. With their ability to combine functionality, artistry, and sustainability, wooden stools stand as enduring pieces that enrich homes and foster emotional connections, making them a worthwhile investment for both creators and consumers. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden stool design idea pieces for decorative or sell purpose. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.